Happy Thursday, Farber family. Couple announcements for today. Number one, if you will go into Google Classroom and go into your Math and Science Distance Learning, click on the Classwork tab. Remember, this is exactly where you need to be to see what is assigned every day. So we are on Thursday, March 26th. You have 3 assignments today. Freckle, Math Mashup, 4 O's. You guys are all doing great with Math Mashup and 4 O's. Let's see what the Math Mashup is today. Okay, the Math Mashup is the equations. You have to find the value of the question mark at the end. The Freckle is going to be different today though. So when you click on your Freckle assignment, I'm not asking you to log 10 minutes. I'm asking you to actually complete a 5-question assignment, and it is on multiplication. So when you click on that link, it's going to ask you for the class code, and that would be FARBS. Make sure it's in all caps. And then you would enter your first and last name. So we are going to actually go into Lillian's account. Okay, so when you go into your account, this is probably the screen that you are going to see where it's got your name here, how many coins you have. It's going to give you maybe your different subjects. You always want to look at the book bag. The book bag is where your assignments are going to be. So if you notice, I have a little 1 notification. If I click there, or I could even click up here where it says math assignment. Let's see, is it going to take me? No. Will it go if I go here? Yes. Okay. So if you notice up here, it says question 0 of 5. So that's your progress. It's going to ask you 5 different questions. You will earn coins based on that, but I will be able to go into my Freckle account and see who completed the assignment. So please make sure that you're doing these 3 for today. And again, these are not due until Monday. Okay? All right. Hope you guys have a good day. See ya.